Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file exempt on your W-4 form. Filing exempt means your employer will not withhold any federal income tax from your paychecks. This can be beneficial if you meet specific criteria, but it's crucial to understand the rules. We'll cover who qualifies, how to properly complete the form, and important considerations to avoid any issues. Let's ensure you understand this process thoroughly. To qualify for exempt status, you must meet two key conditions. First, you must have had absolutely no federal income tax liability in the previous tax year. Second, you must anticipate having no federal income tax liability in the current tax year. This status is generally intended for individuals whose income falls below the standard deduction, meaning they owe zero federal income tax. It's important to meet both criteria. Claiming exemption on your W-4 is straightforward. First, get the most recent W-4 form. On line 4C, clearly write the word exempt. It's crucial to leave lines 5 and 6 blank, as these sections are for other withholding adjustments. Finally, sign and date the form, then submit it to your employer. This simple process ensures your employer knows not to withhold federal income tax. Remember, exempt status is not permanent. You must refile your W-4 form each year by February 15 to continue claiming exemption. If your financial situation changes and you no longer qualify, you must submit a new W-4. This exemption only applies to federal income tax, not Social Security or Medicare taxes. Incorrectly claiming exempt status can lead to underpayment penalties, so always ensure you meet the criteria.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.